Welcome back to Disabled and Prepping, and today we got back from the farmer's market and Carebear was warm, so we are sharing a little icy pop. So it's lemon flavored. She likes this one the best, actually. So I figured I'd video it for a bit because she's enjoying the icy, and I can get her on camera without her having a fuss. So, just let you enjoy a little bit of Carebear having her icy. Trying to cool her down a bit. She did get a... sorry. Excuse me. She did get her hot dog from the farmer's market today. So, she's had her lunch. And now she's having some icy to try to help cool her down. She didn't want to drink her water, so I got the icy out so that way she can have something to drink without, well, she was refusing her water right now. I have to make some ice cubes. In the summer, she likes to have colder water, so. And since she wasn't drinking her water yet, after being out there, I figured I'd get an icy going so she could get something cold to drink. And no, she didn't have the whole one, just some of it. So it's getting cold on my fingers, girl. You gonna take that last piece? Well, let's get into the end, buddy. Alright, that's it. You ate your piece. Cleaning up after it? Okay. Did some get on the side? I want to check to see if there's any on that side. Alright. Alright. Was it good? Fist bump if it was good. Come on. Hey, I know it was good, so fist bump. There you go. Alright, say hi to everybody. Say hi. Alright, everybody. Just a quick video. Alright, take care, everybody. May God bless you to overflow, and may He keep each and every one of you safe. Bye for now.